To hedge on PrizePicks, you need to understand the basics of the platform and hedging strategies. PrizePicks is a daily fantasy sports operator that offers over/under fantasy contests, allowing users to pick players and predict their performance. Hedging is a risk management strategy used to minimize potential losses or lock in profits. First, identify the type of contest you are participating in, such as a 2-pick or 5-pick contest, and the players you have selected. Next, monitor the performance of your players during the game and assess the likelihood of your contest winning. If your players are performing well and you are likely to win, consider hedging to lock in a profit. To hedge, you need to place a counter bet against your original contest. For example, if you have a 2-pick contest with players A and B, and they are both performing well, you can place a new contest with players A and B underperforming. This way, if your original contest wins, your hedge contest will lose. But if your original contest loses, your hedge contest will win, minimizing your losses. Another hedging strategy is to place a counter bet on a different platform or sportsbook. For instance, if you have a contest on PrizePicks with a player scoring over a certain number of points, you can place a bet on a sportsbook with the same player scoring under that number of points. This way, you can minimize your losses or lock in a profit regardless of the outcome. Best practices for hedging on PrizePicks include monitoring player performance, staying up to date with injury reports and lineup changes, and adjusting your hedge bets accordingly. It is also essential to manage your bankroll effectively and not overhedge, as this can lead to significant losses. In conclusion, hedging on PrizePicks requires a solid understanding of the platform, the contests, and the players. By monitoring player performance, identifying opportunities to hedge, and managing your bankroll effectively, you can minimize potential losses and lock in profits. Remember to stay disciplined and adapt to changing circumstances to maximize your chances of success.